Will you trust yourself with a brand new phone if it didn't have a protective film on it? Then why should your manufactured parts go without it too? In this video, we are going to cover what protective film is, the types of protective film, how certain industries use it, and how you can succeed using it. Protective film is a material designed to safeguard surfaces that are susceptible to damages, ranging from minor to major abrasions and scratches. Protective films are made of many different kinds of films. Some of the common films we see are low-density polyethylene films, known for enhanced elasticity and flexibility, and low weight. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC, sleek with relatively higher levels of elasticity, suitable for protecting metal surfaces. Polypropylene, less elastic and remains firm even in higher temperatures. Polyolefin works well with the glass or painted metal, with specific variants used for packaging. Co-extruded, low-density polyethylene provides higher protection levels through layering techniques. And lastly, paper, generally used for protection against very low impact damage. Protective films comes in various types, each designed for a specific application. Two common types are surface protection films and protection films for painted surfaces. Surface protective film offers easy application and removal, providing protection to surfaces like glass, plastic, stone, and more. Protection film for painted surfaces is specifically designed for painted surfaces, with variants such as clear paint protection film, PPF, known for self-healing properties. When choosing a protective film, it's important to consider longevity. Opt for a high-quality, durable film. Warranty. Choose a product with a reputable warranty like Pregis PPF with up to 10 years of warranty. Quality. Ensure the film is scratch resistant, abrasion resistant, and UV protected. And lastly, application. Hiring an expert for proper installation to avoid surface issues. Success in using protective films involves partnering with someone knowledgeable about material selection, making a plan for project executions, and finding a converter who meets your specific needs. By understanding material selection, planning, and working with experienced converter, you can optimize the use of protective films in your projects. If you have any more questions, feel free to visit our learning center or reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.